This tutorial covers the installation of the 3725RK-2 renewal kit, which is compatible with these 3/8-inch ratchets. We do not recommend installing this kit into a 36-tooth ratchet housing, as slight dimensional differences may cause malfunction. This ratchet uses an 8IP Torx Plus screw, so you can use our 168T-8IP screwdriver for installation. Begin by removing the screw from the back of the ratchet head. This will release the front accessories, which can then be removed and discarded. Before starting the assembly process, clean the ratchet housing thoroughly. Apply CRC or WD-40, then wipe dry with a clean cloth. Insert the reversion lever into the lowest hole in the back of the ratchet head. Next, insert the pin and spring into the hole in the side of the reversion lever. Make sure that you insert the spring end into the hole and use tweezers if necessary. Insert the large pawl into the assembly. The small pawl comes pre-greased, so additional grease is not recommended. Insert the small pawl above the large one, making sure the grooves interlock properly. Insert the gear into the assembly. Press the cover plate into the ratchet head, ensuring the circular cavities face downward. Insert the screw into the smallest hole in the back of the ratchet head, through the pawl, then tighten securely. Finally, test the ratchet handle to confirm that it was assembled correctly. This concludes the installation tutorial for the 3725RK-2 renewal kit.